So some of you just can't remember how to do the Chargaff's rule question. So you have to know that G equals C and A equals T. So if I tell you that there's a certain amount of something, let's say we have 30% adenine, and I want to find out how much guanine. So what you have to do is if there's 30% adenine, we'll just use A, that means there must be 30% T. And 30 and 30 equals 60%. That means 60% of the DNA molecule is made up of A and T. So therefore, if 60% of the molecule is A and T, 40% of the molecule must be made up of G and C. Therefore, it must be 20% G because G equals C, so therefore C must equal 20% as well. Okay, I'll do one more for good measure. Those of you who are still having trouble, make sure that you just work through some problems to help you, because if you don't actually work through the problem, you're never going to learn how to do it. Okay, so let's say it's T equals, let's say 18%. Okay, so if T equals 18%, because of the Chargaff's rule, A must equal 18%. And 18 and 18 is 36. That means 36% of the DNA molecule is made up of A and T. Okay, so the rest of the DNA molecule must be G and C. Okay, so just do 100 minus 36. Okay, so you will have 64% of the molecule will be G and C. Okay, and now since 64% of the molecule is G and C, we have to figure out how much of it is G and how much of it is C. And since they're equal, we just split that between them. So it's 32%.